Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to check Medicaid status. So all you need to do is open any browser and then type in Medicaid status and then scroll down until you see this link, medicaid.gov government, and then press on how can I find out if I'm eligible for Medicaid, and then scroll down. Now you need to select the state. Indiana, for example, then press on go to Indiana. Now you can see find my local DFR office, so you can see the phone numbers and fax and all office hours and everything, and then you can give them a call through the phone and you can ask them about your Medicaid status and they will respond, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.